We work hard to give everyone the very best, and when we hear we've made a difference, it makes it all worthwhile. Here's a fantastic review about just one of many happy experiences. It's obvious that great experiences like this make us smile, but it also serves to remind us how important it is to provide everyone with the best service possible. We believe that our future success comes from our success today. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much they keep coming back over and over again. We're proud to say we've earned our glowing reviews one at a time. We are glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.